Hey everyone, today we're going to be turning this spinning top. Check it out. Okay, so to start out, I've mounted this blank between centers, and I'm going to go ahead and take it down to round. Just going to use a 3/8 spindle gouge. Okay, so I've taken this down to round here on this end. Now I'm going to use the calipers and a parting tool to make the tenon that's going to go inside of my collet chuck. Okay, so I've made the tenon. Now I'm just going to square up this little face here so that way it sits flush with the collet. Okay, so I'm mounting this in my collet chuck, stuck the tenon in, and I'm tightening this down. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bar here, tighten that up a little more. Bring the tailstock up. And then I can go ahead and start turning this down so that way it will fit inside of this. All I'm doing right now is turning this perfectly round, all the same diameter all the way across, and I'm going to glue this on. So I'm using this 1/4 inch scraper and my calipers. They're still set to the same size this is, and I'm going to go ahead and take the whole thing down to that size. I got this to fit on here. Now I'm going to take some glue and glue this piece onto this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the inside of this in some super glue, spray some activator on this, and then put them together. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start taking the corners off of this blank here. I'm going to be using a 3/8 bowl gouge. Okay, so I guess I need a little more glue. Didn't have quite enough. So okay, I'm switching over to a 5/8 bowl gouge. Take real light cuts. Hopefully it'll stay on this time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and sand this now. One thing, if you're using Corian, you need to have some sort of dust mask, because this stuff the dust from this will shred the insides of your lungs. So be sure to have a dust mask on the entire time while working with this. As you can see, it's extremely dusty. So I'm gonna go ahead and sand this and then part it off. I'm pretty happy with the way this came out. I've only done a few tops. This one is made out of Corian, which is countertop, and a piece of either rosewood or ebony. I'm not sure which. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like button and share with everybody you know. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I put a new video out every single week. If you want to get some behind the scenes stuff and see what else I'm working on, be sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Also, if you want to support what I'm doing, be sure to go support me on Patreon. There's a link in the description. I want to say thanks to Matt Berry for supporting me on Patreon. If you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy some of my other ones. I'll have two pop up on the screen over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.